Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop with a quick video today on how to keep your exhaust bathroom fan um, working for many years to come. Alright, so in a previous video I showed you guys how I install a light over my bathroom shower stall. Okay, and this is the fan that actually goes back in the housing that I connected the wire from the box to the light. Okay, so these fans over time they build up dust on them. Okay, and it's from the moisture and just the normal dust that's floating around in the house. And of course, when you're running this fan, it's sucking the air from, like, any other room that's close by if the door is open, especially if you have carpet in your house. Carpet grabs a lot of dust, right? So as you can see, like right here, this is some of the remnants of it right there, that light brown stuff. And so this little motor, I'll show you the rating here real quick. As you can see, it's a NuTone. It's works on 115, 120 volts. It's 1.2 amps, 70 CFMs. That's cubic feet per meters. Yeah, and then it's 6 tones. That's the sound level. Okay. Now, when it's on, because it's 70 CFMs, you can hear it, and you know that it's doing what it needs to do. So the wheel that actually, it's like, this is called a squirrel cage, because of the way that it looks. Okay, and this here, when this is up there, it just spins in the direction of, in my case, it spins this way, because the exhaust, the 3-inch exhaust, is on this side, so it's sucking up the air through the bottom and then slinging it out, and it actually comes out over here, right there, which is the exhaust. Another tip: never exhaust your bathroom moisture into your attic space. You should install, like I said, an outside exhaust port, like that one right there. Okay, so to clean these right here, basically you can use whatever I have on hand. This is an old broom head. Is good for wiping this off, especially around the outside of the metal. Okay, on either side. This brush right here, or this broom head, does a great job of just knocking off the majority of the stuff that's on there. Now, for the nooks and crannies, if you have an old toothbrush like this one, you can actually use it to get into like these little spots where the big brush can't. Especially on the motor. And these motors, it's very smooth, and it doesn't need any lubrication. Now, although in this right here on the end, there might be lubrication from the factory. So you see those two little screws. So I might end up just taking this off, putting a couple of dabs of grease on here, just so they can keep this part of the shaft going for a long time. Because on the other side, as you can see, it's a small shaft that's right in the middle, right there. Okay, and it comes right from down there. Now you can take this squirrel cage out also, because it has like a snap washer in there that you just got to pry up, and then this will come out, and then it'll allow you to take those two little nuts out right there. Let's see if we can see it. Right where my finger is. Yep, this nut and the one in the back, and this metal plate will come off. That'll disengage the motor, and if there's like any kind of lubrication point, like right there. Oh, there we go. Yeah, any lubrication point at the bottom of that shaft, then you can hit that up too. And sometimes, all-in-one oil will work just fine. Okay, but this right here, the brush, is perfect for getting in between the vanes of the fan. Okay, and if you can see, I'm spinning it, but you can't hear nothing. Okay, it's only when it's installed that you can actually hear the air moving and it pushing it through the exhaust pipe. That's when you hear the actual sound. Like right now, as you can see, it's not making any noise, right? But yeah, so to keep this little guy working efficiently for many years, yeah, clean this off And not only that, cleaning the stuff off of the fan blades makes it so that it doesn't get uneven or out of balance, because that's what starts to happen over time, and it'll eventually mess up the shaft or the bearings of the motor, and then it'll start squealing, and then that's when, you know, the homeowner will call somebody like myself, which, you know, I'm a handyman, to come and switch it out. Now these, they should be able to last good 10-15 years. You know, like I said, if you clean these, I would recommend at least once a year. Pulling it down, it's not very hard to disengage, because all it is, it locks in with these two tabs right there. So this is one, that's two, and then there's one on the other side, right here. There's another tab. And if you pull this one out, you take a flat blade and you stick it in between this and the other case, and you pull it out like that, this will come out, and then these two will just follow. And that's how you put it back in, is by putting these two in first, and then just pushing this up on the side until it pops right into that little slit that's in there. Okay. And see, this just unplugs from the piece that's in there that I showed you in the previous video. All right. As always, guys, like I said, thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so that I can notify you, or so that YouTube can notify you of when I upload new videos. All right. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.